Unfortunately, the cold weather is upon us. It's time to start thinking about the implications that might have on your home. We spoke with Rob DeLuca of DeLuca Roofing to learn about ice damming.
Ice damming is the buildup of frozen precipitation on a roof surface, or a sloped roof surface or a flat roof surface. Typically, it's observed on sloped roofs where you have an inappropriate balance or inappropriate amount of attic ventilation between the soffit venting and the ridgeline roof level venting. The meltwater is having a difficult time being drained off of the roof, and in most cases has nowhere to go but up and underneath shingles and underlayments. At this point, it's likely to hit the first crack between the board roof deck or the plywood sheets and drip into the attic space. Of course, a small leak from a marginal ice damming scenario would lead to some damp insulation, and possibly, if you have a plastic poly vapor barrier between the ceiling board and the insulative layer, then that might stop the water from coming in. Like any ailment, you can try to maintain the symptoms, and that's what many people do in many situations, because true fixes of the actual problem are very complicated and expensive, or can be. In the majority of instances, people will have a company such as ours or a snow removal company on the roof try to remove frozen precipitation, keep the gutters clear and free of debris in the fall so that they don't get clogged up and freeze up, and they're allowed to drain as best they can while the weather is moderate. However, they are eventually going to get full of snow, they are eventually going to freeze up, in which case the snow, before it turns to ice, can be removed.